Senator Abe reacts to the alleged claim that FCT Minister Nyesom Wike has joined the APC. Even if he has not joined, he's working for APC, he's not working for PDP. So he's already in APC. He's just bodily in PDP, but spiritually and everything about him is in APC. He had working for APC, so it's not a news if we hear that he had defected from PDP to APC. That is no news. That is the truth. That is no news. He has been involved in anti-party activities for years, and since 2022 or thereabout, working for other parties while in PDP. So Senator Abe, this is not a news. A former Nigerian lawmaker, Senator Magnus Abe, has reacted to the alleged claim that the former Rivers State Governor and the current FCT Minister Nyesom Wike has joined the ruling All Progressive Congress APC. While speaking, Senator Abe made it known that Wike is currently working with the ruling All Progressive Congress APC, noting that it doesn't mean that he has joined the party. He went on and made it known that it is the responsibility of the ruling All Progressive Congress APC to support and protect his interest. Can you imagine? Because he's working for them now. Even the Magnus Abe himself ran from APC to SDP thinking that he would be a governor from there. He didn't get it. He ran back to APC again and now aligning with Wike to make sure that Tinubu wins the presidential election in Rivers State come 2027. Now that he's not the governor, it's going to be tough for him to win that Rivers State again. What happened in 2023 will not happen again in Rivers State. So according to Sahara reporter, Senator Abe made this disclosure when he was being interviewed on Channels Television Politics Today. So furthermore, the former lawmaker made it known that Nyesom Wike must not be a member of the party to accept Tinubu's appointment, noting that he is an influential figure in the APC government. He went on and stated that it is in the interest of the party to work with him. So speaking about his support from Wike, Senator Abe noted that his decision to show support for former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, was a chance to unite the APC in Rivers State and support President Tinubu's renewed hope agenda. Recall that it was recently alleged that the former Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has indirectly joined the APC, though Wike had insisted that he is still a member of the People's Democratic Party, PDP. So what you are saying now is that Wike does not need to join APC to work with Tinubu, and it is the political obligation of the APC to protect Wike's interest and work with him, because Wike is supporting APC to support the renewed hope agenda. And he himself had decided to join hands with Wike in Rivers State to help APC stabilize the Rivers State and to ensure that Tinubu wins 2027 election in Rivers State. Can you imagine their interest? Even Magnus Abe at his age is also not a very serious person, the way we see him. For him to have run from APC, he couldn't win the governorship election in APC in Rivers. He ran to SDP. In SDP, he couldn't succeed, and the next he said SDP is not effective and SDP has nothing to offer. So he ran back again to APC. That is how he's running up and down. He's the only old politician in Rivers State that is supporting Wike. All the rest politicians, starting from Peter Odili down to all other persons, are supporting Fubara as the political leader of the state, as a governor. So, quite unfortunate for Magnus Abe that his age is running up and down between political parties and now coming out to say he's supporting Wike. Well, he has the right to support whoever he wants to support, but that doesn't mean that APC owns Rivers State, or that doesn't mean that it's a must for Tinubu to win Rivers State during the 2027 presidential election coming. People have not even prayed for life. They're already targeting 2027. This one is bad. This is bad. All right. We've got a few comments here. About 3 comments. I thought we say he will regret it. Exactly. He will regret supporting Wike. Anybody that supports Wike will regret it. Just like when Tinubu was starting, there's no way you support and speak for Tinubu that you will not look foolish. Even now, there's no way you speak for APC that you will not look foolish. So the same way it is, there's no way you will join Wike now that you will not look foolish, especially in Rivers State. Okay? irrespective of where they are coming from. Anyhow, when you speak for Wike, you look foolish. Because Wike himself has ridiculed himself politically, both at state and national level. Okay? He had deceived so many people, and now his secrets are leaking. Fubara is holding the government tight now, and the pro-Wike commissioners and assembly members are running up and down now because they can't get it. I'm telling you, I will not be surprised tomorrow if Magnus Abe runs back to PDP or runs back to SDP again. Because his ministry is running up and down between political parties. Nyesom Wike plays politics of hatred, and that is very bad. Exactly. So, and Magnus Abe cannot tell us that that is the best way to play politics, not to talk of making sure that there is peace in Rivers State. So that is not correct. Madmen everywhere in the name of politics without address. So who are the madmen now? Is it Magnus or what? Magnus self is a confused person. That is the truth. He's looking for a way to be governor of Rivers State. He can't get it. Or he's thinking, I'm sure he's calculating, so that by the time Fubara finishes this first term, Wike will support him and rig election for him in APC to become governor come 2027. That is his calculation. Because he saw the dirty job that Wike did for Tinubu to win and for Fubara to also win. So he thought that same dirty job can make him a governor come 2027. He's going to be frustrated and he's going to be disappointed. I'm telling you, I'm sure that is his mindset. He's joining Wike so that Wike can support the rig election for him to become governor come 2027 the way Wike rigged for Fubara. It's not going to work. Let's see. 2027, Wike will not be in Rivers. It's Fubara that will be in Rivers. And Fubara will determine how things will go. I'm sure by the time Fubara finishes with Wike now, Wike will, I don't know where he will enter again. So, all I see in Magnus Abe is that his selfish interest is driving him up and down. Drove him from from APC to SDP, back to APC now, and now driving him to go and support Wike because of his selfish interest. Magnus Abe has proven that at his old age, he's not stable. Psychologically, not stable, politically, and socially not stable. So this kind of person in Rivers State should not let him be their governor, because that guy will sell out the country and bad. In fact, his administration might be worse than Buhari and Tinubu put together as a governor. So that is what Rivers State people need to watch. Voting people like Magnus Abe for governorship in Rivers State is going to be a disaster. That is it. So thank you for listening, and let's have a comment.